there, so our milk paint is all mixed up. We're using the color Aviary, and I did a cup and a half of water, a cup and a half of the milk paint powder, and then I let that sit for about 10 minutes. Then I did a cup and a half of our bonding agent. I usually go equal parts. Sometimes I throw in a little extra, I call it to grow on, just if the surface seems really slick and I don't want it to chip. So I am going to start painting this, and then I'm going to do a little time lapse so you guys don't have to watch me paint. So I usually start with a piece upside down just because I think it's easier in the long run. It makes the top look better, honestly, in the long run. I have my milk paint flat brush, and I am going to start just sort of painting along this edge at the bottom. I usually like to get a fair amount on my brush and then kind of pull it through and go with the grain. You know, if I were going for a more rustic look, I might do a little bit messier kind of rustic paint job, but this one has kind of classic lines, so I'm gonna do a classic paint job. So stay tuned.